I didn't go to that party looking for anyone, Zara. I didn't want any of this.
I know. But sometimes life gives you something you never asked for, and somehow it turns out to be exactly what you needed.
The clip you just watched was created absolutely for free using a free AI tool. Now watch me recreate it. So go to your Google Chrome and type Google Flow. Okay, when you type Google Flow, you search. And then you see that first one, just click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, it's going to take you to where you select the email you want to use. So just select any of your email accounts, okay? And you'll be given free credits, alright? Now, can you see the free credits? 50 credits every day, and it refreshes every day. Now click on New Project. Okay, you see the plus icon at the top? Click on it and click on Upload Media so that you can select the image you want to turn into video. Click on Browse, and when it opens up, you select the image. Once you select your image, you allow it to load. Also check your settings, ensure that it's in video, not in image. Alright, put it in ×1 because if you put it in ×2 or 3, it will spend more credits, alright? So put it in 1 so it will generate only one video at a time. Now once you see this orange sign, it means you have exhausted your Google credits. Alright, check your aspect ratio as well, and when you're done with your setting, you click on the plus icon inside the prompt box and you select the image. Now paste your prompt. Alright, and click the send arrow. Wait for your video to generate. Now our video is ready. Let's check it out. Okay, so that's awesome. Alright, so that's just all you need to do. You don't need to subscribe to the tool. It's absolutely free. It's 100% free. Will you be trying this out? Let me know in the comment section. So when you're done, click on download button and click on 720p and download your video, and you're good to go. If you'd love to see more videos like this, you can go ahead and hit the follow button. Alright, so bye.